Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your Whirlpool dishwasher. Performing a hard reset can fix glitches, error codes, or unresponsive controls so your dishwasher runs smoothly again. First, locate the dishwasher's power source. Turn off the dishwasher by pressing the power button or unplug it from the wall outlet. Next, wait for about 5 minutes. This allows the internal electronics to fully reset. After waiting, plug the dishwasher back in or turn on the power button. Make sure it's securely connected to the power source. For most Whirlpool models, press and hold the start or cancel button for about 3 seconds. The lights will blink or the display will show that the reset is complete. Finally, run a short wash cycle to make sure everything is working correctly. Your dishwasher should now operate normally without error codes. And that's how you perform a hard reset on your Whirlpool dishwasher. Regular resets can help prevent issues and keep your appliance running efficiently. Thanks for watching.